In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a weekly planner in Notion. Whether you're a seasoned organizer or someone who's just looking to get more organized, Notion is a fantastic tool for planning your week efficiently. So let's dive right in and create your personalized weekly planner in Notion. The first step is to head over to Notion. So open up your favorite web browser and go to the Notion website. If you haven't already set up an account, it's straightforward and free to do so. Once you're in, you'll see the Notion dashboard, which is your primary workspace. This is where you will organize your thoughts, plans, and tasks. Now, look towards the top of your dashboard. You're going to click on the small arrow that's right next to the Create New Page icon. This icon is typically found at the top left corner of your screen, and the arrow opens up various options for page creation. It's a neat trick that not everyone knows, and it leads you to a wide array of templates that can simplify your planning process. Once you've clicked the arrow, you'll be presented with a plethora of options. Here, you need to look for the option labeled Templates and click on it. This will take you to the Notion Templates library, which consists of a diverse collection of pre-made templates crafted by Notion and its community. These templates can be a real time saver because they provide a pre-structured starting point that you can then modify to suit your needs. Now, let's find a suitable template for a weekly planner. Use the search bar in the Templates library and type in Weekly Planner. This search will provide various planner templates that you can choose from. Browse through to find one that fits your style and requirements. Each template has a unique layout and design, so take your time to see which one resonates with you. Once you have selected a weekly planner template that you like, click on the Add button. This action imports the template into your Notion workspace. Just bear in mind that you're not confined to the template's fixed layout. It's highly customizable. You can rearrange the page blocks, change colors, and even add additional features as you wish. After adding the template, a prompt will appear giving you the option to add it to your personal space, known as private, or to your shared workspace. If you're planning to use this weekly planner solely for personal use, go ahead and select Add to Private. However, if you intend to collaborate with others, you might want to add it under Workspace. And there you have it. You now have a weekly planner in Notion ready for you to fill out and customize further. Personalizing it and experimenting with different layouts can make planning fun and keep you organized throughout the week. Happy planning and have a productive week ahead.